Hey guys, how's it going? 3G Bricks here. Today we're going to be looking at two different sets. We got the LEGO Ideas rocket ship, set number 40335, and the Creator Townhouse Toy Store 31105. This one is a modular build, and it also comes with a miniature rocket ship that you can build as an alternate side build. So we're going to be doing a speed build on this one, and then we're going to be talking about this one at the end and what's to come with the LEGO City. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, let's get to it. just in case you're wondering, the last build that I did was of that small rocket ship where the child can sit in there and play in the rocket ship. But this modular 3-in-1 also came with one of those rocket ships as a side build for the toy shop. So this toy shop is probably going to be one of the first buildings that I put in the Lego City. Some of the cool features: it's got a small loft up top, it's got a bunch of toys inside. Here's a small airplane. And then it comes with a small tanker truck. It has a gumball machine. Some trains and buses on top. It's got a second story deck. This modular 3-in-1, I think this one's pretty cool. Top can come off. Look at the inside. Got the bed with the mattress, little flower. So this is probably going to be one of the easiest parts to start with the city. I figured I'll do some sort of small corner section with the road, and this can be the first building that starts off the city. Just in case you're wondering about the box, right here. This one is the Townhouse Toy Store. Set number 31105. Creator 3-in-1. The alternate builds aren't bad, although I do like the second story option, making it a 2-story building instead of just a 1-story building. With the city, I'm planning on doing a bunch of skyscrapers, but I figured I'll just start off small. Pretty much keep it to the sets that I already own before I start a whole bunch of mocks. It's got some flowers on the top here, and it comes with a tiny bird up top.